cool. We're recording. Yeah, I got my Harley back. Let's go. Oh shit, man! Look at them beautiful fucking Olins on there though, and I got Legends on the fronts. Let's go. That's why it was here. Oh my god, haven't rode a bike with tall ass bars in a fucking hot ass minute. Good old clicks. Hello? Oh, I see. Alright, you bitch. Oh my goodness. I feel so tall now. I'm not used to tall bike. Oh my god, the good old Harley shake. My god, it's so fucking tall. Holy shit. This is my first time riding this bike since I dropped it off in November. I love it so much. So much more wind now too though. Definitely gotta get the fairing down this bitch. Oh, she cruises at fucking 80. Probably shouldn't do 80 though. So I've got 2 inches more ride height in the front, and another 1.5 inches, or 2 inches and a half, give or take, in the rear. Oh my god, it's so much taller now. I'm pretty sure this bike has more clearance than the Honda does. Forget how much this feels like riding on a goddamn sofa too. Like, I am so stretched out right now. Definitely need to do a Brembo conversion though, now that I'm used to the Honda. Fuck. I will say this, it's a lot colder too. Not colder in a bad way, but like, my arms are up so the wind goes up my sleeves instead of over top like on the Honda. But these are two different animals. This is a Harley Davidson with like $7,000 done to it and like mods to make it where it's at, versus a stock $3,000 Honda. Well, stock saved the exhaust, you know, but that's whatever. And I guess technically the levers aren't stock either. I will say though, while this bike does have passing power, it has got no top end. Still love it to death, don't get me wrong, but it's never gonna beat a street bike or a sport bike in a drag race. This is a quarter, not even a quarter, an eighth mile. Man, we're going just slow enough where I'm kind of irritated, but not slow enough to where I'll pass them when I can. Because while I've been breaking the speed limit hardcore already on this bike, I don't feel like doing it like that right now. Especially since I gotta relearn how it handles. So I mean, like, don't get me wrong, I could just rip around this guy right now. Without traffic coming, of course. But I don't think I want to. After riding the CBR for a month straight, it's weird having my feet this far out. Like, I mean, recently I started, like the last video or two, riding with the ball of my feet on the peg. And you cannot really do that on a Harley because you're gonna, like, melt your boots. But, you know, I might do mid pegs on this bike now that I'm used to the CBR, just so it's not as weird of a transition. Granted, this is also the first time I've rode this bike, like I said, since November, so I'm kind of probably not used to it. Which, you know, shocker, right? I'm thinking about inverting these. I'm putting these on the bottom, but I'm not 100% sold yet. So I'm thinking about it, but maybe not. I don't know yet. Alright, let's go this way. Like I said, not that I'm against following a car, but... yeah, damn, these rear brakes are like whack as fuck right this second. I felt the front tire bump off the ground for a second and it's going into second gear there. Road work ahead. Yeah, I hope it does. No shoulder, low shoulder, okay. Ah, by that they mean I have less traction to brake on if I need to. Love it. Yep, here it comes. A bump, you say. Yeah, it was a bump, alright. Any cars from the left? There's one. Fuck. By the time that car gets turned, that car will be here, and then that car will be here, and then that car will be here. And then we're stuck here for fucking ever. Because I'm not gonna turn fast. Oh, of course they're turning too. Son of a bitch. Duel of the turning cars. And that guy's turning, that guy can turn. It would appear that they're all turning. I know there's policia through here most of the time. Right there usually, but I guess not today. Sometimes I park right there. Not right there, but like in the driveway right there. Sometimes I park in the fucking carpool thing too. I've even seen a state boy sitting in that parking lot before. What the hell he was looking for, I don't know. Like, what are you gonna do? There's a stop sign right here, and there's a fucking tight ass corner, which I can't hit a speed because the fucking stop sign is halfway through it. Like, what the fuck? Why would you put a stop sign halfway after the apex of a corner? It's dumb. No trains, we're good. I'm blowing this bitch. Oh yeah, that fucking decel is so good on this bike. It's good on the Honda too, but you can actually hear it on this one. Like as the rider, not as... It is pretty cool having a working speedometer too. Realistically, I'm just gonna go to the store right now. There's some stuff I wanted to grab for other purposes, not YouTube related, more like TikTok. I don't know what to sell them there or not. I'm looking for like a face mask, not like a COVID face mask, like a cover your face mask. Like, man, it's cold out. I need something to cover my mouth, kind of a thing. You feel me? Ooh, my foot came off the brake. That might help if I want to stay braking, huh? Do a quick little... Karmagia, I think. Man, we're in the land of handicap spots. Do I dare park here? Yeah. Now we lean it until I feel like it's gonna fall over. Crazy amount of lean.